Ideal replacement. This air conditioner condenser fan assembly is engineered to match the fit and performance of the stock condenser fan on specific vehicles. Complete package. Assembly is designed with the same materials and components as the original part. Quality assured. Components are tested in laboratory settings to ensure performance. Cost-effective and reliable. Trustworthy manufacturing for far less than same part at the dealership. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This AC condenser fan assembly is precision engineered to match the fit and performance of the stock condenser fan on specific vehicle years, makes and models. It has been rigorously tested to ensure it functions as effectively as the original part. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Dorman AC condenser fan is blowing strong so far and is of now a very good value over OEM. I was considering just buying the fan motor replacement and reusing the fan housing, but the screws holding the bad motor was corroded and screw head ended up getting stripped. Decided to pay a little more and go with the less hassle option. Worked out great, so far.